100 divided by 1 over 10 times 100. What is the answer? So is it A, which is 10, B 100, C 1000, D 100,000? So let's see what we get. So we have 100 divided by 1 over 10 times 100. If you work out this, this will go with this, which will give us 1 times 10, which is 10, then 100 divided by the 10. 100 divided by 10 to be 100 over 10, which gives us 10. If you got your value or your answer as 10, which is A, you are wrong. This answer is wrong. It's not correct because you've not followed the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. So you're supposed to follow PEMDAS. This is the order of operations in which you are supposed to carry out these operations, okay? You have to work out the parentheses if there is first, then the exponents if there is first, then multiplication and division. Multiplication and division carry the same weight, but the only thing here is you have to, whichever appears first from the left side going to the right side, whichever appears first is what you handle first. If multiplication is appearing first from the left to the right, you work out that first. If division is what is appearing first, you work out that first. Then addition and subtraction. So our question was 100 divided by 1 over 10 times 100. And in this case, you can see we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. Now multiplication and division, we've said they carry the same weight, but whichever comes first is what you work out first. And in this case, division comes first from the left side. So it's what you work out first. So you shall work out this first. We shall have 100 divided by this. So this becomes 100. You can change the sign and multiply by the reciprocal. So when you multiply by the reciprocal here, it will be 10 over 1. Okay? Then times 100. So this 100 times 10 becomes 1000. Then times 100, which becomes 100,000. So the right answer was actually option D, which is 100,000. So you're always supposed to follow PEMDAS. Now there are 5 questions in this video. Kindly let us know how many you'll have gotten right in the comment section down below. You can always pause the video, work out the question first, and then see if you got it right. You try and exercise your brain, okay? So let's look at question number 2. We have this puzzle here. 5, 7, 6. Here we have 4, 4, 4, and here 8, 2. And this we don't know. So what value do you think comes here? Pause this video and work it out and see the answer that you get. So now here, if you are to realize, you realize that the logic behind this is you get the first 2 terms of row-wise, so you consider the rows. When you get the first 2 terms in the row and add them together and then divide the answer by 2, you'll see that you come up with this figure. So here, the first 2 terms are 5 plus 7. You add them together. Then divide the result by 2. So this will be equals to 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 divided by 2, which is equals to 6. And that is what they put here. Let's see for this one. So you add the first 2 terms, 4 plus 4, then divide the result by 2, which is equals to, this 4 plus 4 is 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. And it's the one they've put here. That means also this follows the same idea or ideology. So we shall add these first 2 terms, 8 plus 2, then divide the result by 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 over 2 or divide by 2 is equals to 5. Therefore, the value that goes here is equals to is 5. Is the one that goes there. So did you get it right? Let's look at the third question. 2 plus 2 is equals to 9. 3 plus 3 is equals to 13. 4 plus 4 is equals to 17. So what do you think 6 plus 6 is equals to? If you look at this puzzle here, if you follow the series or the sequence, what do you think? What value do you think comes here? So you can pause the video, work it out, and see the answer that you get. So the logic behind this is you add the two terms, 2 plus 2, and then after that, add the successor of that result to that answer. What do I mean? You get 2 plus 2, which gives us 4. And then on this 4, you add the successor of 4. So the successor of 4 is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay? So it will be 4 plus 5, which is equals to 9. So that's how they were able to get this 9. Also here, we shall get 3 plus 3. You add the two terms first. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then add 6 to its successor, which is 6 plus 1. Okay? So it is 6 plus 7, which is 13, which is here. That's how they got that result. That means also this follows the same logic. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then add the 8 to its successor, which is 8 plus 1, which will be 8 plus 9, which is equals to 17. Okay? That means also this follows the same kind of arrangement to get the answer. So we shall have 6 plus 6, which is 12. Okay? 12. Then add 12 to its successor, which will be 12 plus 1. So we shall have 12 plus 13, which is equals to 25. Therefore, 6 plus 6 is equals to 25. So that's how you get the solution here. Hope you got it right. Let me know in the comment section. Let's look at another question. So we have 976 to 684. 375 to 225. 864 to 512. So what do you think 597 goes to? Pause the video, work it out, let me know what your answer is. So this to this, this to, what do you think the logic here is? So the logic here is get the first term and multiply it with the second two terms. So this is 9 times 76. When you multiply 9 times 76, you get this value, 684. Also here, 3 times, that's 2 value, 75. 3 times 75 is equals to 225. So also here, 8 times 64. 8 times 64 gives you this answer. That means also this follows the same logic. So we shall have 5 times 97. Now 5 times 97 is equals to 485. Therefore, 597 is to 485. Hope you got it right. So let's look at another one. We have 5, then 16, then 49, then dash, then 445. What value do you think comes here? Pause the video, work it out, think about it, and let me know what you think the answer is. Okay, now here it follows a sequence, or it progresses by you multiply times 3, then add 1 on each stage. Multiply times 3 and then add 1. So that means here we are going to multiply 5 times 3 and then add 1. Then here we have 16 times 3 and then add 1. Here it will be 49 times 3 and then add 1. And then here the result times 3 and then add 1. Okay? So here, when you multiply, you get this. When you multiply this and add 1, you get that. So 5 times 3 is 15. You add 1, you get 16. 16 times 3, you get 48. Plus 1, 49. Then 49, what is 49 times 3? 49 times 3 is 147. So 147 plus 1 gives us 148. That means here it's 148. And you realize that 148 times 3 is 444. Then plus 1, 445. So that's the idea or the flow of the sequence. Let me know how many questions you were able to get right. Comment your answers. Out of 5, how many had you gotten right? Let me know. If you've not subscribed to this video, to this channel, kindly do so. It's completely free of charge. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and share. Let's meet in the next video.